Welcome back, everyone, to the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again, taking a look at the weather. Did you see the Northern Lights Friday night? Spectacular. In fact, Trevor Gridley, one of our good photographers that sends in many photographs to us, was able to capture them. Look at the colors of that. Just beautiful brilliance there. Purples and greens, and just a nice night. Again, thanks to Trevor. And if you have a photograph you want to share, by all means, send it to photos at ktvf11.com. What do the numbers look like? Right now at the airport, 17 degrees below zero. And our high today actually was only 9 degrees below zero. The overnight low 35 below. Sunrise and sunset about 8 hours and 6 minutes of daylight, a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. Air quality problem once again. Fairbanks unhealthy for sensitive group, and North Pole is just flat out unhealthy. So it's not good to be outside right now if you have any respiratory problems. Here's our next cold area coming down from the north. A pretty good frontal system dropping down, bringing a reinforcement of the colder air, maybe some light snow with that too, but it will continue to be quite chilly, at least toward the end of the week. As far as what's going on across the rest of the state, well, we have lots of wind blowing around the Juneau area and snow falling at Ketchikan. In fact, heavy snow expected there. Snow also at Kodiak Island and Cold Bay, while to the north things are looking pretty good. A little snow around the Barrow area. Lower 48 weather tonight, a little bit of rain falling across the Pacific Northwest, not extending down into California where they really need it, but a real bad mix of rain and snow and ice all over the deep south, all because of a storm system that's being brought in once again from the jet stream, traveling way down to the north and then ripping back up to the east. As you can see, a lot of cold temperatures and cold precipitation indicated by the pink. And the overall snowfall expected through Thursday with this storm system is going to be close to a foot of snow in some parts of the Virginias, right up into near Washington, D.C. and New York City. So a lot of weather expected over the next couple of days across the lower 48. But as far as we're concerned, the northern section, snow showers for Barrow, flurries expected at Nome and Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at morning fog in the Fairbanks area, then becoming mostly sunny for Delta Junction and Healy and Fairbanks. And over southeast Alaska, that's where the wild weather is going to be. Lots of winds to Juneau with the winter weather advisory in effect for Ketchikan with 2 to 4 inches of snow expected there. Over southwest, mostly cloudy with snow showers for Cold Bay, partly cloudy at Kodiak and Bethel. And over the south central regions, looking at mostly sunny skies for Anchorage and partly cloudy skies in Valdez and Homer. Okay, it's time once again for our kids' weather and another school this week. This week we're visiting with the kids from North Pole Elementary. And tonight, here's a young man with an interesting story for you.
Forecast for you in Alaska, they can expect 2 to 6 feet of marshmallows. Hope you have a funnel in Hawaii because you can expect tropical orange juice. Hope you have chocolate syrup in Denver. It's -5 at night, which means ice cream. Say "ah" in McMurray because the snow forecast is jelly beans. And Cobble can relax because morning, all the marshmallows from Alaska is there. And Fairbanks, hope you have a ladder because the clouds are going to be peeps.
That's what I call a unique forecast. Speaking of forecasts, here's our forecast for the remainder of the night. 35 below at the airport, much colder in low-lying areas. Ice fog developing, but possibly before that happens, more auroras, so keep an eye out for that. Tomorrow's forecast calling for 10 below for the high. Morning ice fog becoming mostly sunny skies, but the good news is after we get past the cold temperatures for tonight and tomorrow, things start to slowly warm up, if you can call 23 below warming up. But it is going to be warming up to the weekend, looking at 10 degrees below zero for the overnight lows, and no real precipitation expected, except maybe possibly some light snow shower activity on Wednesday. But all in all, things are getting better, Joe, so don't be quite so despondent. It's going to slowly warm up for you.